overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand, we'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Static is school attention. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Strategies. Thought of the day.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Good morning everyone. I welcome all of you to this program. I am very happy to see your presence at this program. I hope the program turns out to be fantastic and successful. I hope you enjoy this program. Thank you very much for all attending this program. Have a good time. Thank you again for joining us.
Good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe. I am delighted to interact with you after a long gap. That too for this special day, Bashir Day. A day in memory of the legend of Malayalam literature, Sri Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. You all know, apart from his literary figure, he was a humanist and a freedom fighter. Noted for his down-to-earth style of writing, he was popular among common men and he was known as Bepu Sultan. No doubt, he still lives in our memories through his words. Dear ones, let me conclude by quoting his words. All are inheritors of earth. Live and let live. Thank you.
Today's news.
Government to publish names of COVID-19 victims. NATPAC to study sustainability, safety aspects of water metro. Survey reveals gaps in mental health support for students. Anxiety and stress affecting studies, say participants. Change, but no closer in Plachimada. Kuttanpura shows the way brings down TRP below 7%. 12,095 COVID cases in Kerala. Thank you.
Programs.
Good morning to all. I present to you two characters of Bashir's Puvan Param.
I bow before his memory for a moment. It is midnight. Where is he? Throughout the morning, every job. If I think I go to the bed earlier, oh my God, verdict of mine. Jamila, Jamila. She is sleeping with the door open. Jamila, Jamila. Oh my God, why are you looking totally wet? There is no Puvampalam in this market. I went across the river. I walked a bit in search of Puvampalam. When I tried to return, the boatman was gone. When I remembered that you were alone here, I went swimming. There was fast flow. I faced a lot of problems. But I didn't give up this. Please eat. Hi, Puvampalam. What is this? Orange, better than Puvampalam. I don't want this. What to go till night? Make me to wish. Don't say that, Jamila. I told you the truth. There is no Puvampalam to be found. You are lying. You have no love for me. I didn't tell you to bring gold or money. Only 2 Puvampalam now. Don't say that, Jamila. I bring you the orange with difficulty. Please eat. This Jamila Bibi cannot drink even drop of water without getting any Puvampalam. Don't say that, Jamila. Orange has twice price and twice vitamins. Please eat it. Eat yourself. I am going to sleep. Hey, my dear Puri, please come here. I said you to come here. Take that. I said you to take that. Eat it. Not like that. Peel and eat it slowly. Who is me? Abdul Qadir Sahib. Who is me about you? My husband. What are you eating? Orange. Bitch! No, it is Puvampalam. You want any servant? No, I will take all the jobs here. You will beat me again? Tell again, what are you eating? Puvampalam. Oh my dear. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to speak about Waika Muhammad Bashir. Waika Muhammad Bashir is also known as Bepur Sultan. He was born on January 21st, 1908 in Paliola to Abdul Rahman and Kunyachuma. Bashir was dead on July 5th, 1994. So July 5th is celebrated as Bashir Day. He was an Indian independence activist and writer of Malayalam literature. He was a writer, humanist, freedom fighter, novelist, and short story writer. His notable works include ബാല്യകാലസഖി, ശബ്ദങ്ങൾ, പാത്തുമ്മയുടെ ആട്, എൻ്റെ ഉപ്പൂപ്പക്ക് ആനയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, മതിലുകൾ, ജന്മദിനം, അനർഘനിമിഷം. The translation of his work into other languages have earned him worldwide acclaim. The government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian honor of Padma Shri in 1982. He was also a recipient of Sahitya Akademi Fellowship, Kerala Sahitya Akademi Fellowship, and Kerala State Film Award for Best Story. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abhinandana PB. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am introducing a biography of Bashir. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was born on January 21, 1908 in Talolaparambur near Vaikam in Kottayam district. His parents were Kai Abdurrahman and Kunyatumma. His siblings were Abdul Qadir, Pathuma, Hanifa, Anuma and Abu Bakr in order from eldest to youngest. After completing his primary education from a local Malayalam medium school, he joined an English medium school in Vaikam, 5 miles away, for higher education. It was during this time he met with Mahatma Gandhi. The Indian independence leader came to Vaikam for the Satyagraha, which later came to be known as Vaikam Satyagraham. Bashir got married in 1958, was over 14 years old, and the bride Fatima, fondly called Bashir as Fabi, was 20 years of age. The couple had a son Anis and a daughter Shahina. His notable works include ബാലകാലസഖി, പാത്തുമ്മയുടെ ആട്, ശബ്ദങ്ങൾ, മതിലുകൾ, ഡുപ്പാപ്പയ്ക്കൊരാനുണ്ടായിരുന്ന, ജന്മദിനം and അനർഘനിമിഷം. His notable prizes were Padma Shri in 1982, Kerala Sahitya Akademi Fellowship, Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award and Sahitya Akademi Fellowship in 1970, Kerala State Film Award for Best Story in 1989, Lalitambika Andajanam Award in 1992, Muthuvarki Award and Vellathol Award in 1993. He died there on July 5, 1994 in Bepur in Calicut district. Thank you.
Thought of the day. All living beings are the rightful inheritors of the earth. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir.
Greetings to all. Today, July 5th, the death anniversary of the children's book author Sri Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Today, I am going to present some quotes of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Patience and tranquility of mind contribute more to cure distempers as the whole art of medicine. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. Second one, to understand people, you need to wade into their culture. It's the culture that they tell. Music is their culture. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. And the most famous quote of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir is, animals are the rightful inheritors of the earth.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to share a story. The story name is Always Share. John was a selfish boy. He never shared his toys with anyone. His parents were worried as how to teach him about kindness and sharing. Then one day, John was returning from school on his new bicycle. As John was watching, a boy fell into a ditch and hurt himself. The boy cried, "Ah, can't move my arm." John would never help anyone. But that day, John felt sad for the boy. So he rushed to him and helped him stand up. He said to the boy, "Looks like you have fractured your hand. Sit behind me. I will ride you to the hospital." Later that evening, the boy's parents visited the John and thanked him. You are a very kind boy. God will always bless you. After they had left, the John's father said, Son, see the blessing you are received by being kind and sharing. John understood the importance of being kind and decided to share always. Sharing is the best moral value. Thank you.
Good morning. I would like to ask some questions related to Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Can we start, my dear friends? Okay, the first question. Which was the first work of Vaikom Muhammad Bashir? Yeah, it is the right answer. Can we go to the second question? Which of these works of Bashir is the central character of Nose? Yes, you said the right answer. Can we go to the third question? Who wrote the autobiography Bashirinte Ediye? Yeah, you said the right answer. Can we go to the fourth question? In which year did Bashir receive the Kendra Sahitya Academy's fellowship? Yes, it is correct. The next question. Which is the autobiographical work of Bashir? Yes, the correct answer is that. Can we go to the sixth question? Which is the biggest award that Bashir has received? Very good, you said the correct answer. Can we go to the seventh question now? Vaikom Talayola the birthplace of Bashir is which district? Yes, you know that. It is the correct answer. Who wrote the book Bashir Ezhuthum Jeevitham? Yes, you know that. How is it? It is the right answer. Can we go to the ninth question? A tree influenced Bashir's life and literature. Which is that tree? Yes, congratulations. The 10th question is, which of these works of Bashir upholds the ideas that all lives beings have the same rights on earth? Wow! You tell the all correct answer. Very good. Thank you.
Strategies. School attention. National anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल चलति तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।